Hello and welcome to Mark and Kelly's Trips, Tips and Things. So it is a cold January evening. We are here Sunday and we are here in Dean Street at Pizza's Pilgrims and we're going to go eat inside. But before we do, please like, share and subscribe to this video. It helps us make more and we love making videos for you guys. And don't forget to join us on our lives every Tuesday and every Friday at 6 PM UK time. Anyway, I'm hungry. Let's go.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
So let's have a quick look through the menu. So I have decided to go for there's a double mozzarella, double pepperoni and spicy honey, and that's the one that I've decided to go for. But if you want to take a look at the other pizzas, here they are. And they've also got some crust stickers, extra toppings, and side salads. So Mark has gone for the Smokey Aubergine Parm. So what do you think so far?
So if you look around, it's very, very quirky. There's lots of references to it. You've got the Godfather poster, which you can see right behind me. And a lot of the film posters, if you have a
I'm trying not to film anyone as well.
Yeah, go high.
Yeah.
So you'll see.
Yeah, so you can see all the film posters just there.
And it's all in sort of Italian as well. There's a film poster over there, which is the good, the bad, and the ugly, which you can't quite see it because people are reading. But I really want to get that because it's in the Italian language. But yeah, so it's very quirky here. Very much got a student vibe to it. Now it's not to down it as well, but I think this will be one that will be interesting to see if you are in Soho, somewhere cheaper to eat. We are downstairs. Can you see the stairs there?
Yeah.
So when you look in here, you think, where on earth are you going to eat? It's just very small. You have to go downstairs there.
So what I also wanted to say as we're filming around the restaurant, when we came in, we sat on a little two table like that one, but one behind us. But the table is so small, it's just big enough for one. So we asked if we could move to this round table that we're sitting at here, and she said, yeah, sure, no problem. Chat about the prices of the pizza. So they seem really reasonable. I don't know what sizes that they are yet, but the price that for my one was $13.25, and then the price for Mark's one was $10.75. So while I think those prices are quite reasonable, I do think that the toppings are quite expensive. So if you want anything extra, like prosciutto di Parma, it's £3.50. If you wanted more pepperoni, £3.50. Nedua, £3.50. I think, yeah, even if you wanted like mozzarella, that's £3. If you wanted to switch to buffalo mozzarella or switch up to buffalo mozzarella, it's $3.25. So I do think though the toppings are quite expensive. It starts to get a little bit more reasonable when you go further down the list. So something like tomatoes or rocket, you've got, it's like $2.75, $1.75, $75, $75. So and olives is $2.25. So they're not too bad. But even I feel like $2.25 is a little bit expensive. I'm expecting to see like £1.50 prices, but you know what? We are in London. So we also ordered the mozzarella garlic bread. So I can't wait to try all of this.
Right, so now I'm going to start with the garlic bread. So we come through here, it looks very fresh, it smells amazing.
Yeah, it looks amazing as well.
You can see that, look at that. Look at that cheese come off there. And it's got little shards of garlic right there. Anyway, I am hungry. Let us not waste any more time.
Didn't even get a picture of that garlic. Yeah.
That dough is so fresh. The garlic is, I think it's been chopped up raw and put on and then let to cook.
Right.
So it's not fully cooked, so just be aware that you get quite a strong garlic taste on that. So it is not raw garlic, but it has been baked, but not baked for long.
Yeah.
So, but it is nice, and that dough is so spongy and fresh. That is really, really fresh.
You'll have to forgive us because we are filming on the phone camera and not on. Somebody forgot to put the SD card, which that somebody is me. Forgot to put the SD card back in the camera.
I'm just enjoying this.
Okay, so my turn. Let's go. Let's have a look at this.
Look at the stretch of the cheese.
Wow. This piece is a bit too puffy for me, so I'm going to leave that for Mark, but I'm going to take the less puffy piece. But it's also the piece that's got the more cheese on.
And it's also got that little garlic strand, that's it, get that on there.
Yeah, let's go.
Good?
Mark's right, you can really taste the garlic.
Yeah. You can really taste the garlic, so it's quite loud in here, but you can see that. Look at that cheesy loveliness.
So good.
Here we go. Right, there's no messing about in this. I'm going to get straight down into it. So this is slices of aubergine, which they bake the aubergine, then put them over the top of the pizza.
Wow.
Like I said, knife or fork, I'm not required here. I'm going full in. Like that. That tomato is so fresh. You can actually see the cans of the tomato right down there.
Oh yeah.
So that's the cans that they use, but it's so nice. But that aubergine as well, you can tell it's been baked as well. But like I said, I keep going on about it, but that base is so fresh. It's really good.
Wow. Okay, so on my pizza, you can see it's double pepperoni and it's like a spicy honey. But I just wanted to point out, look at the two different types of pepperoni. There's some chili on there as well. So
there's some hot peppers there, so go careful.
Yeah, so I'm going to try some of this pizza, and yeah, let's see how we get on.
Let's do it all in one go.
You can really taste the honey.
Oh, can you?
It's sweet. The pizza is soft. The pepperoni is really good. The cheese, the tomatoes, yeah. Really, really good. Okay, so here we go for a bottle of sparkling water, a bottle of still water, garlic bread with mozzarella, double pepperoni and honey, and an aubergine parm, and one aubergine parm comes to a total of £41.06, and that's including the service charge of 12.5%, which I don't think is too bad. The only thing that I thought was a little bit pricey was to add extra toppings, but other than that, I didn't think this price was too bad. What do you think?
Yeah, I thought it was really, really good. I mean, the bit I would say is the toppings. You're absolutely right, £3.50 for your additional toppings. So I would probably not get that. I would go for a starter instead, which is only about £2 more extra.
Yeah.
But yeah, I thought the dough, that dough was amazing. The base is fantastic, and I thought the toppings were good as well. Is it the best pizza I've ever had? It's good, very, very good. Not the best, but it is good. Would I come here again? Absolutely. I would definitely come here again. I think it's a good place. If you are in the Soho area and you're looking for something that's relatively cheap to eat, easy, I would come here.
Okay, so we just finished at Pizza Pilgrims, and I've got to say...
There it is, sorry.
And I've got to say, the pizza was really, really good. I really enjoyed the honey and the double pepperoni. It was sweet, it was soft, it was really good. The crust of the pizza was a little bit hard. Not hard as in hard, because they were still soft, but I never really eat the crust of the pizza anyway. But I did scoop some of the sauce that had dropped out of the pizza with some of the pizza crust, and I think that they should do like a little pot of that. I think dipping that in would be really quite delicious to have. There is one thing you may or may not be interested in. I didn't like the toilets. So there are some places where the toilets are really gorgeous, this is not one of them. But I really liked the vibe. I liked the atmosphere. Yeah, it was really nice.
So a few other bits for me, just quickly. So they do vegan pizzas there, and they had a special one right there, which is about £13. You can play on the Nintendo, which we had a look at, and also as well, like I said, we did do the garlic bread, but you could also have the mac and cheese balls. That was it. I couldn't remember what they were called.
It was really good, and I would come back here again for sure.
There we go. That's it from Mark and Kelly's Trips, Tips and Things.
Bye for now.